Okay, we got a quick video real fast to kind of update what's going on. Today is the 25th of July. Um, make some side notes of some different things that we want to do with the Arrival mobile app. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to simulate being connected to one network and leaving that network to, and as you can look in the top left hand corner, that's the Wi-Fi hotspot. And now if you look at this phone, it says I'm connected. Down at the bottom, you also see where I'm connected. It popped up at the bottom. Zoom this in just a little bit so you can kind of see what's going on. Okay, I'm connected to it. And the reason I'm connecting to it, because I want to go ahead and use this to connect to the Arrival mobile app from the user aspect. I'm going to cut the phone to my right on, which I don't have to have it on, but I'll cut it on. Let me log out from this. Saying not your network. We're going to change some verbiage things on it. Different things you're seeing popping up. We're going to change those. But as of right now, we're going to go ahead and sign up. Enter the name. I'm going to call this test phone for the sake of test phone, email, password, something real simple. I'm going to look at this video a few times over and over again to make sure. It's asking me, do I want to add contact information? As a matter of fact, prop this up real fast. Ask me, do I want to add a contact number information? I'm telling it no. A reason being because this could very easily be a tablet. It could very easily be a watch or anything like that. So you don't have to have a data package on a device. This phone I'm using actually is a old phone that I've been keeping for test purposes. One particular phone is running one type of Android iOS operating system rather. This phone I have in my hand is running another version of it. A second, I'm gonna hit no. It's gonna go where it has to go, and email with this role is already in use. Well, I tell you what I'll do here is I'll try to sign in with it. Well, I guess as of right now, it hasn't been deleted, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it myself. I guess it was supposed to be done. I was told it was done. That's how that goes. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I have two networks that I'm actually controlling right now. The Peak Dallas, where I'm actually in the building right now, and I'm also connected to, well, I'm controlling the hotspot of another network. So what I'll do right now, I'll go in and I'll search networks to find out what I can and what I can't join. Let's say I hit hotspot, see what comes up. That network is actually visible where I can see it. No issues there, but I don't want to join that one. I actually want to join the Peak. I'm just going to put P in for right now. And I'm going to hit the plus button. Now, the reason it's showing you an envelope and not a message or an email icon is because I didn't put a phone number in. Like I say, this could be a tablet or whatnot, but I'm going to go ahead and go through the process of sending an email. Quick side note, we're going to change the way we view what we view is sending the message. Okay. Let's speed this up. I'm not going to wait for it to hit the email because it's going through an email to come here. I'm going to go ahead and access this. Refresh it. Should pop up with the, here we go right here. That's the email we're using. Hit it, open it up. That's what I want to see. Okay, device name comes up already, and that very well could be because it's already, it was one time it was saved. We're gonna go back over to make sure whatever they type in the other phone is automatically coming. It's verified. Let me see, saving. I'm gonna get a notification now. Okay. That whistling you hear is from this phone. I should be able to cut it up a little bit so you can, you know. But nevertheless, I'm connected to this network. I'm gonna hit home. Okay, that's the network I'm connected. That's the network I see right now. And what I'm gonna do now, I didn't connect to it. I see the notification you successfully added Peak. I get that. But what I'm gonna do is cut this network off so it can connect to. And what this is doing is simulating leaving. I'm cutting it off. This is simulating leaving one particular network and heading and heading to another one. Okay. Now, saying that, it should be able to recognize the network that's available. It's saying available networks, and I want to say that it's saying that because the network is I have access to that particular network. Okay, we're gonna get this thing set up to where it's showing you networks in range, and that is where this icon comes in at, the little black thing. At one particular point in time, it would let you know if it was in range because you would see it green, and that's a point we have to make also. But saying that, I'm going to connect to it. Okay, I'm connected to it. Now the timer starts. It's telling you it's connected to it. Now the fun starts with this this application. At this particular point in time, it's letting me know that I was successfully. You didn't see it pop up. Maybe you did. I don't know. But now you're getting notifications to this particular device because this is actually the administrator over that network. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is go and look at my networks and see. Okay, I click on connected devices. As of right now, it's showing people that have access to the device being connected, but it should show who's actually connected to it at this particular point in time. Well, I'll take that back. Let me see. It is showing that Peak test phone. I need more phones to test. This will give me a better understanding of data, what is connecting, what you can see that's being connected, and we'll make a note of that also. I'll take care of that. Matter of fact, tonight, roughly midnight my time. And now I can, I can go through the process of sending. I want to share a file per se. The network that I want to choose is the Peak Power network. That's the one I want to send files to. I want to go ahead and that's the one I want to use. I'll uncheck it so you can see what happens. Once I check this phone, this device, a little box pops up at the bottom. That's letting me know what I can send. I can send media, whatever I want to send. Send a quick picture real fast. Picture of what? Man, send a picture of this Camaro here. Highlight this thing. Done. Do I want it? Yes. It's loading up so it can send. It's going through the process of what it has to do. That whistling you hear is letting me know that, hey, you have a file that has been received. I'm gonna go there. Once that it comes up, I'm connected. Shows me that I'm connected. To access that file, we're gonna put a message thing at the top, letting me know, hey, it needs to be more visible. Hey, you have a message. This is what's going on with that. That's something we can work on. We're gonna implement that as well. Side note, go to save files. What did I send? This is the picture I sent. Well, this tutorial or whatever is gonna be over it real quick here. Real quick, let's disconnect. Let's disconnect from this network and see what happens. 2 minutes ago you connected. Okay, are you sure you want to disconnect? Yeah, I'm sure. See what happens here. See if notifications come through. That's some more verbiage that just popped up. I hit the disconnect, but as of right now, it's still showing connected. Hit disconnect again. Now it's 3 minutes ago. Hit that. Okay, it went through that time. Now it shows up on the right phone. You see that? Also, those notifications are not being pushed through, but notifications are not being pushed through. Like I say, test, 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 and retest. Okay, see what it's saying at the bottom for that test phone manually disconnected. The beautiful thing about that is because I manually disconnected and did not leave, the network, as far as leaving proximity, it says what it says. I'll try to connect again. Connect. It says not your network. I'm sorry, it popped up not your network. We're going to change that verbiage as well. See what happens. Okay, another one popped up letting me know, just now connected. And let me see 1 second. If I go here and go to alerts and history, I can see, history. I can look this stuff up, month, day, whatever, year. I think it's 2017. Filter applied. I can see all the different things. And we're going to work on the analytics side of this also. Like I said, a quick video. We're going to test and retest some more. Let me cut this thing off so I can get out of here. I get ready to type this stuff. I'm going to hit disconnect to see what happens with that. Okay. You're not connected to any network. I just got another notification. What is it saying? Okay, just now. Beautiful. Let's work in the way it's supposed to. I'm going to connect and reconnect this thing 100 times. I mean, not today. It's saying not your network. That's verbiage that we can change. These alerts should be coming back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay. We're going to test that, and retest that. Okay, quick video. I'm glad, it's working the way it's supposed to work. We're going to get some things sorted out with it. Until next time.